So where were we? Yes, this is how the relation's name you should be very clear, children. If you don't know this, then we will not be able to draw the family tree itself. Okay, so better be very clear with the relations. How imagine your family itself. Understand the question and imagine it with your family and try to relate the relationship. Fine? Yes. This is the first type. Deciphering jumbled up description means, like I told, no, the pointing to, when you point to a photo or an image, and then if the questions are asked, that is the first type. All right. So what is the first question? Pointing to a photograph, a man said, I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son. Whose photograph was it? Okay, so here the words, understand the words question very carefully. They are telling you that to pointing to a photograph, one man, the first man, he's the first man said, he says something. Pointing to the photograph, he's saying, okay, so I have no brother or sister, but this man's father is my father's son. Like that, he's talking this dialogue to someone else. So now what is being asked? Whose photograph was it? Like that is your question. How to do it means you should draw the family tree by understanding the words from the question. Option is D. Is it D? Now check again, Vishal. Okay. So let's solve this sum, children. So first you should read the wordings which he said. I have no brother or sister, but that man, which man? The man in the photograph. So he's the second man. Okay, the man in the photograph's father is my father's son. So here the word my refers to the first man. You should be very careful with the words given there. Okay, there are two men in this question. First, the man who is seeing the photograph and saying, the second man refers to the person in the photograph. Okay, A. Very good. So, yes. So let's solve it. Let's see whether it is A or B or C or D, as you all expect. Only when we draw, you will know. So I'm starting it. My father's son. Okay, which man's, my refers to the first man. So I'm writing it here. That is the first man is here. His father's son means nothing but he himself. Yes or no? Because he is also a boy. So my father's son means the first man's itself. And what else is there? I have no brother or sister, but that man's father. So this man is the second man's father. The first man is nothing but the second man's father. Okay, if you read the question again and again, you will get it clearly, because there are two men and it is given like that to confuse you. So be very clear with how you draw the family tree. The first man is saying that my father's son means he himself. And to whom he is pointing in the photograph? The second man's father. So the second man's father is nothing but the first man. Now what is asked? Whose photograph was it? Means who was in the photograph? The second man is only in the photograph. Okay, so the second man is nothing but the first man's son. So option B is the correct answer. His sons. Are you able to follow this? Shall I repeat it once again? There are two wordings. Yeah, can I repeat it or are you clear?
No, I'm clear.
Clear, yeah, okay. If suppose it's like instead of the second man a name is given, you will not get the confusions. Ankit. No, if a name is given, no confusions as of this question. Since there are two men given, you should be clearly notifying them in your family tree to get the correct answer. Slight difference only. You may choose option A if you miss one point. Okay, why it option B means it's asked whose photograph was it? The second man's photograph. So how is second man related to the first man? The son. Okay, so the answer is option B. Very good. Let's move to the second sum. Yeah. See, here you will have name. Anil introduces Rohit as the son of the only brother of his father's wife. How is Rohit related to Anil? Okay, very interesting question. I think you can draw the family tree. There are two members, Anil and Rohit. Let me name them as A and R in my family tree. So they both are there, and how it starts. Anil introduces Rohit as whom? The son of whom? The only brother of his father's wife. Of his, the word his refers to Anil. Okay, not Rohit. Be very careful of the words. His father's wife. Who's saying this sentence? Anil only says. So the word his refers to Anil. Okay, so Anil's father is there and his wife is there. His wife means the father and mother. Okay, so you can even write it as mother. So his mother's only brother. So I'm indicating into sign because his father and mother share the couple relationship. But whereas his mother and the brother will share the sister and brother relationship. So I'm putting plus sign. Now, 1 minute. So Rohit as the son of this brother. And Anil's father only is there, right? So Anil's father's wife is nothing but Anil's mother. His mother's only brother's son is Rohit. Now, what relationship does Anil and Rohit share? Imagine your family, your mother's brother's son. How do you call him? You may have brother or sisters. We call them as
Cousin,
yeah, cousin, brother, cousin, sister. Yes, so cousin. Option A is the right answer. Clear with it? I want you all to draw this family tree and see if you have not done it. Please work out this sum by drawing the family tree and finding out the answer by yourself. Do it once now.
Okay, ma'am.
Use the symbols for your family tree so that you won't waste time. As well, it should be understandable to you. Your convenient symbols you can use. There is no restrictions.
Ma'am, done.
Let me know. Done. Okay, good. Let's move to the third question of this type. Yes. See, pointing towards a person in the photograph. Anjali said, again, pointing type of question. Anjali said, he is the only son of the father of my sister's brother. How is that person related to Anjali? Okay, so let's work out. I want you all to work out. Do and tell me the answer. So the sentence is said by Anjali. Okay, so the word my in the dialogue refers to Anjali. Who says the sentence? To them only it refers. Okay, so Anjali's sister's brother. Start from there and find out what is the relation between the person in the photograph and Anjali.
Options. Ma'am, cousin.
Yes,
C, cousin.
see cousin. Very good, very good. Can you explain me like what was the family tree? Let me do now. So you have others check it. So Anjali's sister's brother. So Anjali is here, and her sister and her sister's brother. Okay, so this is what it starts. And what did she say? He's the only son of the father of my sister's brother. So her sister's father, and to him the only son means this brother only they are pointing. Okay, so sister's father, there are two options. Either Anjali and this sister and brother, everybody can be born to a same parent. Okay, so in that case, you will get it like Anjali and the boy is sister and brother. But we don't have any options in our question having it as brother. So we have to think in the other way. Okay, even your cousins will be called as the cousin sister, cousin brother. No, so Anjali's cousin sister and brother they are. Okay, so this boy is nothing but Anjali's cousin brother. So the option is C. Very good. Keep it up. I hope now you understood, children. Can we move to the second type? The first type is clear to you all? Yes, this is the next question. We'll move to the second type. Okay, so the second type, I told you know that there will be no names. Instead of the names, the letters will be given, and we have to imagine that there is a person named as A, B, C, and D, and draw the family tree. Okay, so this will be like your puzzles, as I said earlier. So read the first question. A and B are brothers. So I'm just going to indicate that A and B are brothers. Okay, it can be any symbol, plus or minus or anything. I use all the brother sister relationship. I am always using plus. Okay, and C and D are sisters. Okay, C and D are sisters. A's son is D's brother. What are they saying? A's son is D's brother. So if A is here, he has a brother and he has a son. This son is D's brother. If D is there, then C also will come, because D and C are sisters, as our question. Now what is asked? How is B related to C? So what is the connection of C and B they are asking? What it could be the connection? So the A's children are C, D and his son. C and D are girls. They are sisters. And he has one more son. Okay. A has a brother B. So the relationship between the C and B is uncle. Okay. These three children's uncle is only B. Because of how the father's brother is called by the name as uncle. Okay. Did you understand how we are getting uncle? Is this sum clear? Work out this sum in your note and see once. You will understand. Two conditions, two instructions are given. First sentence is one instruction. Second sentence is another instruction. Following that instruction, I framed the family tree and answered the question. Work out this sum.
MD uncle.
Very good. Keep it up. Good. Let's move to the next question. I want you to do this sum. See, some instructions are given and then the question is asked. So frame your family tree from the instructions. Do it yourself. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Draw the family tree.
Name A.
A, very good. Super, good. So let me draw and you others please check your answer. A is the mother of B. So which means B is there. We don't know whether A and see here the one more point in this type of question is the person named as A, B, C, D, E, we don't know their gender. Whether it is a male or a female, we don't know. So that's why you will have to utilize the instructions given. From the instructions, we will know whether it is a boy or a girl. Okay, so we don't know B, who is a B, but A is the mother of B. And C is the son of A, means B and C are brothers or sisters, or maybe two brothers also. Only thing we know is C is the boy, son. Okay. And D is the brother of E, it seems. We don't know where did this person D jump from. They are saying, but still you should know, write down, no? So D and E are brothers. You can note down their brothers. And E is the daughter of B. So the next generation starts. So this was the first generation, this is the second generation, and in the third generation we have E. Okay, and she is a girl. Okay, so E is the daughter of B. If E is there, then D should also be along with the E. So D is a boy because it's given in the fourth instruction stating that D is the brother of E. Now, who is the grandmother of of D? They are asking. So obviously, just now we saw totally three generations are here. So first is the grandparents, second is your parents, and third is the you and your brothers. So now listen one more point. We had only A as the mother, B is either father or mother. It's not given very clearly about their gender. The question does not have sufficient information about the gender of B. So ignore it. Okay. And they have also told that C is the son of A. Okay. So A has two children and B has a girl and a boy. So what is the relationship between D and A? The grandparent. Okay. So D is A is the mother. So or A is the answer. Grandmother of D is A. Okay. This is how level by level, if you bring down the generations, means it will help you to find out who's the grandparent, who's father, and who's mother, like that. Okay. Let's move to the third question. Yeah. Please do this sum. A and B are married couples. Okay. So X and Y are brothers. X is brother of A. How is Y related to B? Very simple question. Do it. 2 minutes time.
Ma'am, A.
A, brother-in-law. Very good. What about the others? Are you also getting A?
Yes, ma'am. Option A.
Very good. Check it once. I'm writing A and B are married. X and Y are brothers. Okay. X is the brother of A. Okay. Then A and X share one relationship of brothers. Now, how is Y related to B? So the new person after marriage comes to your house is obviously the in-laws. Right? So here the question tells you that A, X, Y are brothers and sisters. They are siblings. Okay. So to them, the new person is called as brother-in-law. Okay. So it can even be a sister-in-law, but we don't know the gender of A and B also. But according to the option, there is only brother-in-law. Son-in-law will not come because they are all brothers and sisters, A, X, Y. So the only right option which we have as the most suitable one is brother-in-law. Good. Let's move to the third type now. Yes, this is the third type. What is the meaning is coded relationship. Coded relationship means here the letters A and B will be the person as we saw in type 2, and their relationship, like how we use symbols to draw the family tree. Here also some symbols like plus, minus, star, into, like that. The symbols will be there to show the relationship, and accordingly the option also will be given. We have to choose, like if you see this question, show the relation that E is the maternal uncle of D. Maternal uncle means the uncle from the mother's side. Paternal uncle means the uncle or any person from the father side is paternal and mother side is maternal. Okay, that word you should know. And that relationship we have to find out from the given option. Okay, so this is very simple. If you read itself, you will understand. See, the first read the question. If A plus B, plus indicates sister relationship. A minus B, minus indicates brother relationship. A into B, into indicates daughter relationship. Okay, that's all the symbols of this question. You can note on this in one corner and keep before answering. Now, what is asked? Which of the following shows, that is from the 4 option, which option shows you the relation that E is the maternal uncle of D? E is the maternal uncle of D means E should be the brother of any 2 persons. I mean, the father and mother. Only then he will become the maternal uncle to D. I'm sorry. Yes. So we don't know who the names, like who's the parent, we don't know. But according to the options, we have
Ma'am,
two.
A.
Yes.
A, ma'am. A option.
A option. A option. Okay. Check again, no? I'm getting different answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. So let's see. Let's check out by solving it from all the 4 options. So 4 options, first option is D plus F into E. So plus symbol indicates sister. So D and F are sisters. And the sister is a daughter of E. F is daughter of E, and if
Sorry,
they both
ma'am,
are
D.
sisters means, yes, option D is correct. A fails there because these 2 are sisters and they share a relationship of daughter with E. We don't want daughter, we want maternal uncle relationship. Check out option B. D and F are brothers. D minus means minus for brother. D and F are brothers and they are the star means daughter. So how can the brothers be daughter of E? So the option itself is wrong. And next, C option. D into F. D into F means D is the daughter of F. Okay, let it be. So here comes the one parent have come now, F. Okay, if D is the daughter of F and F and E are brothers. F and E are brothers means, how come it will be? It will be paternal uncle. Do you get it? It is almost uncle only, but it is paternal uncle. If F and E are brothers, F and E are brothers means then it's from the father's side uncle. They have asked the mother's side uncle. So the only option left is option D, and that is the correct option, where which tells you that D is the daughter of F and F is the sister of E. So E is the uncle of D from the mother's side. So only a mother will have if there is mother only, it becomes like mother's side. So that sister relationship, mother and her brother sister relationship will make the maternal uncle. So the correct answer is option D. Do you understand how we solve this? Step by step, each and every option we need to work out here to find the correct relationship. Here your family tree importance will, drawing a family tree, we may not be more important, like sometimes it's not needed also for solving type 3 questions, but still pay attention while solving the type 3 questions. Is it clear to you now? Can we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, this is the type 3 I told you now. First, some instructions are given. See, read the following information carefully and answer the given questions below. So this is the instruction for the next set of 5 questions. I want you to write down the instructions and keep. So what is given? A plus B. Plus means son. A minus B. Minus means wife. A is wife of B. A into B means, into means A is the brother of B. So brother relationship. A by B means A is the mother of B. So by tells you that mom, mother. Okay. And A equal to B means A is the sister of B. Okay, equal to means sister relationship. So this is the instructions given. Now you have to solve this 4 question. How the questions are, see, what does P plus R minus Q mean? First question. P plus means they share the relationship of son. Okay, so P is the son of R minus Q. So R is minus means wife. So R is the wife of Q. So R and Q are husband and wife. And their son is only P. This is the family tree of the question given in first question. P plus R minus Q. So now find out which is the correct option. Q is the father of P. Q is the son of P. Q is uncle of P. Q is the brother of P. No, Vishal? See the diagram which I've drawn. R and Q are husband and wife, and their son is only P. So which means R is the lady, because Y R minus Q means wife, they told. So Q is the male. So he is a father. Option A is the right answer. Do you understand what I say? Just use the presence of mind. Okay, your family tree, you are drawing it, but that male female relationship, you should pay attention. Okay, can you do the second question, children? Same type. P into R by Q. So into means what relationship? Brother. By means mother
मैम सेकंड
relationship.
का ए, सेकंड क्वेश्चन का ए.
A.
यस
Very
मैम.
good. Yes, very good. Second question answer is A. Because in the options, if you see, only P and R is there. So if I just find out, sometimes you can even think very smartly. Okay, look at the 4 options. They relate only P and R. So if I just find out the relationship between P and R, I can answer this. So it's P into R. P into R means brother. So P is the brother of R, and option A is the right answer. Very good. Do the third one.
मैम ए ऑप्शन.
A option. So P equal to R plus Q. P equal to R means equal to symbol is sign sister. So P and R are sisters, and R plus Q. R plus means plus is the son. Sorry. So P and R, brother and sister. Okay. And they have Q as a parent. So option B is the correct answer. P is the daughter of Q. Check now. P equal to R means P and R are sisters. And R is the son of Q. So she is a girl and he is a boy. R is son. So P is the daughter of Q. Fourth one. Do the fourth one.
ए ऑप्शन है.
Option A. Let's check. P equal to R. Same thing. P is the daughter, and they have R. They both are have sharing the sister relationship, and R by Q. By means mom. So Q is the mom of R. Okay. So Q is the mom of R, which means
सी ऑप्शन इज राइट.
yes, P and Q share the aunt relationship. Okay. They both are sisters means I told you, it can be cousin sister also. Own sister also, it can be one option. Cousin sister option is also there. So option A is the correct. Okay. Is it clear to you all? Any doubt? Still this 3 types also, is it clear?
नो मैम.
Okay, good. So if any doubts means you can ask me then and there. We'll do more and more sums and make it clear. Okay. So with this, the blood related type is over, and Please do work out the sums which we give you. And if you get doubts while solving sums now, ask us. Okay. And as you practice more and more sums, only you will get it right. Okay, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.